Right now, we're installing the bees, taking out the can of sugar syrup. And now we're removing the queen out of her little nest of bees. You can see it's covered in bees. And the queen has got a green dot on her back. Maybe we could turn it over a little bit so we can see her a little bit better. Yep, she's got a green dot because 2009 is the year of the Green Queen. Alright, now I'm going to put the queen in the frame.
I'm going to put it in afterwards.
Okay, well, right now we're going to set the queen down on the ground.
Actually, maybe I will just put her in there first.
Okay, so
Might as well.
just don't lose her. Alright, now the queen cage has a cork on one side to keep the queen from escaping. Sometimes you put like a marshmallow in there so they eat their way out while the outside bees eat their way in. But we're going to do it the hard way. We're going to keep the queen in there for a few days, let her scent permeate the hive before releasing her amongst her minions. So we're attaching. Looks like it should stay.
It's kind of pressed in between.
Yeah.
These two, so she's not going anywhere.
Okay, now I'm going to turn the box over and shake, 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 shake until all the bees come out. And hopefully I do not get stung in the process because I am not wearing any gear, unlike my counterpart here. Shake, shake, shake. Alright, now we're going to set the box next to the hive for any lingering bees that are still in there, because as you can see, I'll try to get a little bit closer here. There are still some bees in the box. The vast majority of them, of course, are in the big hive box. And now what we're doing is smoking them to get them to go down into the frames. We're making a lot of noise because I don't think they're very happy right now. And I have quite a number of them around me. Hopefully I do not get stung. If you hear a squeal, that's me getting stung. As you can see, the process does not take very long. Just a few minutes. Now we're going to get the lid to cover them. Should we smoke them a little bit more?
I'll just kind of ease it on.
Trying to put the lid on without squishing too many bees here. Alright.
There we go.
That is an installed package of bees. Hopefully they'll settle down here in a minute. Pull out a little bit. Gonna sit back and watch what they're doing. You can see quite a bit. Alright, that is the installation of a package of bees, which took less than 5 minutes.